Washington VC's roll call of success is outstanding, siring 180 individual winners of 900 races and an incredible $8 million in stakes. Here's one, I'm the Mighty Quinn, winner of 20 and $750,000 and regarded by many as Australia's best pacer at present.
I'm the Mighty Quinn burns to the lead from Has the Answers, and a brilliant win by I'm the Mighty Quinn.
Washington VC's left 19 winners from Holmes Hanover mares, 14 from Socky's Atom mares and 12 from Son of a Fella mares. Multiple race and high stakes winners include For Real, It's Ella and 28-time winner Steuben, together with those set to make their mark, like the 2-year-old Eastern Swift.
Big run coming from Eastern Swift down the outside with a cosy sort of a run. It is Jump for Joy trying to run it down as Eastern Swift, and the outside goes home the better Eastern Swift.
At $3,000 plus GST this season, Washington VC is unbelievable value. Contact Keith Norman now to book your first choice of sire.